Alright guys, here we go. Today we're going to assemble this Taran Tactical +2 magazine extension for Glock 43. We're going to run out of time here soon, so let's see if we can't do it without anything crazy going on. Yeah, my neck. Oh shit. Alright. Put that right there. First you're going to get a punch. You're going to pop this old magazine extension out. This is a Pierce. Alright, all you're trying to do is pop this old Pierce out. That's a little nipple that'll hold it in, just like your normal Glocks. So make sure you pop that sucker out. Alright, you're going to take out the magazine. This here is the replacement magazine and replacement spring from Taran Tactical. Retail price on it is $35. What the heck is that? Some instructions. We don't need those. Right here it's got a two-piece system. This lock piece right here, this locking nipple, and a set screw. So we have probably unscrew that set screw. I've never done this before, so I might be completely wrong, but no going back. Fuck it, we're doing it live. Oh shit. And of course, I'm running fucking tools. 265. All right. Motherfuckers. I'm using all my fucking tools. Alright, now you can push that lock stop out of the way. And take your replacement spring, pop out your follower here, and shove your follower, make sure your spring's facing the right direction. Alright, test that first. You want that to be at an angle, this to be flush. Put your plug here. Damn, that spring's pretty fucking tight. Shove it all the way down. Take this back plate and you're going to shove it in essentially front to back. Damn. Damn. Alright, there you go. Alright, and that's what locks the plate. Then you're going to shove this keyhole piece all the way back up. And that's what's essentially going to lock that base plate in place. Alright, make sure it's flush on the bottom so you don't stab your hand or something crazy. I'm just going to tighten up that screw again. And that will lock the base plate in place. Alright, and that's how you install a Taran Tactical +2 extension.